Hi, Blue. Hi, Licky. They call you Daddy Numbers? Why? Hello, Daddy Numbers. Daddy Numbers is crazy. Definitely. It's definitely crazy. Tell her Daddy Numbers said hello. What? What? Why? Why is your name Daddy Numbers? That's weird. What? Is there something wrong with my smile? Is there something wrong with my smile? Do I look bad when I smile? Hi po. Hello po. No, you have an amazing smile. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, my feet is so restless. I can't stop moving side by side. I keep on doing this. You remind me of an old friend from long ago. Really? From here? From Bigo? Was that friend from Bigo? Life would be great. Thank you. I got this from H&M. I hope I could buy more of this from before, but they don't sell any of this anymore. So I only have one. Maganda to eh. This used to fit me so much, but it's stretched. I hope it gets hole in it. No! I'm wishing it won't get a hole in it because I love this top so much. I only have one of these. Come on. I need it so bad. I love this so much. I love this top so much. I love this top so much. Mister. Mister, where are you from? I'm gonna call you Mr. Numbers. Yes, man, me too. Great. We all love this top. Sheesh. What? It's wild work. I know. Mr. Numbers. Your name is gonna be Mr. Numbers. I'm gonna end life in an hour. Hi, Gigi. Get it right. My name is Daddy Numbers. What? I wish I could like reach my quota here as much as. Hi, Ramen. Hi, Igot to you. What? What? Why are you laughing, Mr. Numbers? Hi, Septic Soccer. Huh? Igot to you? Hi, Eds. Cute, cute name. Why are you laughing? Thank you, Mr. Jeff.